Hello, friends. Greetings from Cygnus Center of Excellence. We were very happy to be at Chowringhee High School on the 5th of August 2022 to conduct a workshop on career planning and communication skills for the students of class 9 and 10. It was really heartening to see the school taking up an initiative to groom the students beyond their curriculum to make them ready for the world. 40 eager, enthusiastic students trooped into the school hall to begin the thought process for their future. The theme of the workshop was, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. The workshop charted out a matrix for these young minds to draw their roadmap into achieving their individual goals. We stressed on what they love to do, what they are good at doing, and what the country requires or the world requires from them. And last but not the least, what will be monetarily rewarding to them. The students were initiated into getting their career wheels into motion. The workshop was very fulfilling. The students were extremely participative and responsive. We sincerely appreciate the hospitality extended by the school. Interacting with young minds always helps to unveil new horizons and spark new ideas. We look forward to more such opportunities in the near future. We recorded the responses and feedback from the students so that we could draw inspiration going forward as well. They were honest and forthcoming. Let us hear what they had to say in their own words. Thank you very much.
This class is very nice and I felt very good. Sir was very much friendly and it was very nice, and I would like to have more classes in the future also.
Nice sessions. It was very helpful. Everyone should have this opportunity for having this session. So I was very frank with everyone, and yeah, I would like to have another session.
Class very much. I enjoy this class very much, and I am requested sir to take this class again, and I am very thankful sir to give us this opportunity to speak with us and motivate us. Thank you.
It was a very nice opportunity, and thank you sir for giving us such a nice opportunity to us, and I am very much thankful to sir that he gave us such a nice opportunity, and thank you sir.
My name is Tanisha Sharma, and from this session I've learned a lot, and I feel motivated, much motivated to do my work more consistently. And
now you look like you have a white beard.
louder.
This class was very helpful to us. We get so much knowledge from this class. Sir was very good. Sir was very helpful also, and we request sir to take another class with us. Thank you.
I am Farhan Ahmed of class 9, and I am very thankful that I have get opportunity to do this class, and I am very much confident that I will do very much things in future. Thank you.
My name is Tausif Umar. I am of class 10 of Chowringhee High School, and the workshop was very good. It helped me to plan my future. Thank you.